So when we started putting in the shelves, we noticed that this right here wasn't straight, nor was the centerpiece. So when I straightened them out, that then showed why the door was cut crooked. I had noticed it and I should have explored it more. So now I have to cut the top of the door off. You can see the mark there, I think you can. And at the bottom, I need to cut off about 1 inch at the bottom going up through to nothing. So that'll get this door fitting. This door's not bad. I should have, of course, done all this before, but we have a little difference on top, so I may take a little off over there. Otherwise, up through here, it looks really good. We had to pull in the bottom with clamps and re-screw it on the inside. Had to remove the screws out of that board, clamp that whole thing in with pipe clamps all the way up into here, and then re-screw both of these boards. I even loosened that one up and did that. So that straightened up this door a lot. This door was never straight to start with. You can see the distance up there on that board. And then you see down here, you may not be able to tell in the video, but it definitely is more. So that'll straighten that up. And then our bottom's not going to be exact, but we need airflow through here anyways, because it is in the basement. I'll give you a quick preview of the shelves. Shelves are complete, and they look great. The centerpiece in back, all that back support comes from the ceiling. It doesn't go all the way down to the floor. So that was, had to put little pieces in here and then come over and fasten into here. So this piece is now fastened in and all the shelves are screwed in. So that side over there can't be pushed out anymore. Everything's going to stay where it is. So I'm real happy with how they came out. I wouldn't, this isn't for like 1,000 pounds of shelf or anything, but it should hold everything we're going to put in there. It is still very solid. So getting close.